you are available even nights also sending some your work progress. Hmm. Virtual Holi, Nitin. Yeah. Happy Holi to all. Yeah. If I sleep now, then I won't have future. Oh, okay. Almost agreed. But sleep sometime at least. Huh? Future is okay. Health is also fine, right? At least 7 hours or six. Hmm. 8 hours not possible, boss. Now 8 hours. Okay, agreed. As per the health, one thing. Doctors are saying that sleep is required 8 hours, right? Doctors not follow that first. In my family, also one doctor is there. Always busy with some phone only. Okay. He's sleeping is 6 hours, but he can say to everyone 8 hours sleep is required, 8 hours sleep is required. Okay, and they said take food in time, right? Their lunch time is 4 p.m. Doctor's lunch time is 4 p.m., 3 p.m. like that. Okay. So how many of you prepared resumes? Any questions now? So I will explain here. We need to close this resume session at any cost today. Tell me, anyone has any questions? I will explain here only. Any case, this case. Hmm? Sorry? Oh, sorry. Tell me, any queries? Then, see, if you, okay, straightforward answer, okay? Straightforward answer to everyone. If you keep 3 years fake experience, 4 years 4 years fake experience, how to manage PF? No question from that, first of all. If you keep 3 years, 4 years experience now, how you can manage PF? Leave it for that first. The question you can leave the PF part. PF we can't manage, right? So if it is not there in our hand, leave that first. Don't think. If something is manageable, we can think. Even me also, I can't do anything, right? If you guys are apply 4 years experience, how to manage PF means my end also same question. You have to say that no PF. But my team members, I mean, the previous batch students are following what I said blindly. First, I inform them, yes, tell them no PF. That's it only. And show your salary very less, current salary. Don't show more than 5. If no PF, no form 16 means inform to them my salary is very less, 4.5 lakhs or 4 lakhs. So my company is very small. So no PF. They're planning to give PF from the next month or next 2 months. Like that you can say something. We have requested them. They're going to implement PF also in this company soon. Like that you can say confidently. And very important thing. If any HR before interview they ask, do you have PF? Okay. Do you have form 6 and then everything? Yes. You said yes. No problem. Give entry first. Practice your interview first. Don't think for PF, BGV and background verification and all at this time. What exactly I said, same they are following for the your 1030 previous batch 1030. What I said, na, leave about your BGV, leave about your questions on the PF and all. First give interviews. First two interviews, first one, two interviews, they may fail due to some technical something, but now they are able to clear most of the people. Now they are thinking for how to manage fake experience. Technically, they proved now. Most of the people technically proved now. So yesterday also one person is called me. He cleared which company? Let me check. You know one thing? Yeah. He recorded even his interview also in phone. He shared the recording. Interview also. See the confidence. Total 45 minutes. So he got a job Deloitte yesterday. So my suggestion is don't think for background verification, don't think for PF, don't think for your form 16 and all first. Give interview first. What I said, na, give any company in your resume. I'm working in Wipro, I'm working in Accenture, something you can give, no problem. First give interview. When they will ask these documents and all later, after clear your interviews, na, technical round is done. HR round is time. HR round time also they won't ask anything. After HR round, you will get a mail to submit all the documents. Understand? Once again, I'm saying please don't ask every time how to manage PF, how to manage PF, how to manage PF. First, prove yourself technically. Yes, sir, I'm able to clear technical rounds. These are the companies. Now time came to submit my documents. Okay? You know what they said? One person is saying working in Accenture. In the resume they have updated, but they are not working in Accenture. They are not working in Wipro. They are not working in Infosys. They are not working in some XYZ companies. When the document they will ask, na, they will simply say, yes, I'm working in Accenture, but my payroll is different company. Third party company, you can submit anything. No problem. If you go to Infosys, all are not Infosys employees. Payroll is different companies also there, but they need to work in Infosys only. Understand? Even HR also they will ask at the last, are you direct employee, any third party employee, any third payroll? At that time, you don't say direct company employee. Payroll is different company. The different company who will give the document to you. Understand? This is the process what you need to follow. Clear? So first, technically, if you are able to clear 1 or 2 rounds, na, then only you can think for your BGV process. Until and that, leave it. I know you are not working in Infosys. I know you are not working in Accenture. There is no problem to update in your resume. Understand? Working professionals, you can keep your experience as is. I'm talking about career gap students. Career gap students, whatever company you like, update in your resume immediately today. First, give a try. Are you able to clear interview or not? This is my question to all. Clear now? Interview call, first you will get a phone call. I'm from a so and so company. Are you looking for a job change? Yes, I'm looking for a job change. Which company you are working? Whatever company you mentioned in your resume, say simply, no problem. Okay, when you will be available for next week? This is third question. You can say. So, are you comfortable AWS, DevOps, Azure, and something? I have already shared the JD in your mail. You can check if you are comfortable. Means I will conduct an interview. This is a process for talent acquisition team. You will get a call. 95% companies are not asking before any PF, before any documents. If they ask, leave that. Don't think for that. Again, sir, what should I do? They are asking PF. What should I do first? If you ask me that. Clear or not? Wasting of time, you and me. Next is what? Proceed. Understand? This is, see, your trainer is not doing anything in your PF, right? That you know also. Then what should I do? Practically think it. Think practically. Be strong, think practically. Okay, this is not. See, yesterday I called to my friend. She's working in Deloitte. As request is coming from my student, sir, please check with any Deloitte. What is the process for BGV and all? Holy batch, huh? Okay. You know what she said? So your student is able to clear technically, right? Then ask him to don't worry. If here BGV is tough, now for example, next company. Understand? Yeah. We are very confident, guys. Okay, not for this company, different company. But confidence is very important. You believe yourself first. I can able to clear any interview. Once you technically prove, managing document is one day. You know, right? If you go to any consultants, if you pay 10,000, they will give the document. Which consultancy is good, you can pick and go on only. One day only enough. But technical stuff is not possible to learn in one day, right? First focus on technical stuff. Lakhs of companies are there. If you need job really, change your work location to Mumbai. You will get job in 30 days. Worst case, I'm saying. Change your location to Noida. You will get call. You may clear the interview in 1 week also. Hyderabad is a huge demand now. Inter India. Bangalore also demand. Except these two, you can try different locations. Don't go, no problem, go anywhere. First 2 to 3 years. Mumbai also go, no problem. First 3 years only, 2-3 years only. Then you can come again Hyderabad. Where the demand is not there, you can go better. PGVs and all very, it's not kind of, strict. Yes. ATS, sir. Are they conducting any ATS test to you? Huh? What is ATS? Tell me first. Huh? What they will do at the time? Tell me what they will do, what you will do. Raj, are they conducting any ATS test for any student? Application tracking, na guys. For example, if you apply Wipro company, right? Not at all AA tool. See, AA tool to filter CV. What for the what purpose? I will tell you the purpose. If the person is giving interview to Wipro, you should wait for 3 months. Next interview. In that case, this tool will work only. ATS. Okay, this person already given interview last month. Not supposed to pick this resume. That's it. ATS tool knows that you are taking training in Naresh IT under Veera. Then done, right? That's what I'm asking. Think technically. Think technically. First, I'm not talking about Raj. He's a good person anyway. He's a hard worker. My first suggestion is stop to watch news, Yeah, same. అన్నీ ఉంటాయి. Stop to watch the videos in YouTube. Okay, few members are there. They don't have any job. Their job is to do YouTube videos only. Okay, they're saying that BGV is strict. Again, they will do one more video for views. BGV is easy. They will do again one more video. Jobs are easy. After done the views, again they will do jobs are difficult. Their job is to do videos only. If you follow, you are simply diverted into their mindset. Simply you ping to them, they will take 5 lakhs to you. We will give a job. Simply switch off the phone. Careful, guys. Social media is not at all good now. Whatever you need to take it and leave it. Once again, I'm saying YouTube videos. The persons are saying, I have 2 companies, 3 companies. If he has 3 companies, why is doing videos on YouTube first of all? Think like that. See, I don't have any company. Still, I'm very busy, right? If the person is having 3 companies, how he can take a video? Editing and all, it will take 3-4 hours for one video, right? How? So you just question to them. If you are not ready to question, they will play with your weakness. If you are busy, why you are taking videos for 3 hours? Businessmen thoughts are always what? Every minute is very important. They will think for how to improve the business only. Yes, their business is not companies. Their business is to YouTube videos only, indirectly. So take care. Whatever you learn, focus on that, clear the job. See guys, fake experience. My students 10:30 am batch, they are saying, sir, give any reference, any company, we are able to clear the interview. They are in the situation now. I'm taking more average students. I'm not taking everyone. Most of the students, what they are thinking, I'm saying. Any company, sir, give reference, we will clear. This is the confident. See how he's talking in the confident in time of first interview. That to MNC company, Deloitte. Video is available. Videos should be enabled. How is talking like that? That should required. In the mock entry time, you know what I said to him? I said only one thing. That person, you can clear any company, go ahead. Same thing now he said, sir, whatever you said, he messaged me. 100% right. After your mock interview, I have given 6 companies cleared. That's what I surprise here. Sorry, 5 companies clear. First company TCS, in person is his fail. First round is clear, second round is fail. The reason also I will tell you. The reason is he said, are you okay with work from office? He's replied after some time. So they can understand he's not okay for work from office. That is the reason. Technically proved there also. Not only one person, every day one story. Yesterday I said, right, Naresh one person. Today is Furkan. Furkan already in your batch. See, 9 AM batch I have already added. In your batch already there, I have added. Honey, she cleared Noida company. Kirtana already joined as a fresher. Rijwan, he is also cleared Cognizant first round. Venkatesh cleared Mphasis first round. How I can say that they follow my instructions simply. Okay? Leave, you know, I can say only thing you can leave near to reality. That is good. Clear? Don't listen other words. Once again, I'm saying that. Yeah, how that Kirtana got selected. She was in final round. Yeah. Anyway, fresher. That two, 3 members. Satya, singer, you know, right? He also. What I know, these persons got a job. So many persons are there. They're not informed. They're not informed me. Also, they got a job. Working professionals not inform me. Usually, if they got a job, they simply go on to it. Only experienced people, career gap students only, they will, sir, I got a job and they will sell. But working professionals simply they will go. They will not inform. Pressure. Kirtana is pressure. Again, test is there, right? I'll see how many of you clear. I'll see. See, not at all. My training improve your confidence. It's not at all. You should improve your confidence. No, don't wait. Someone can say something. Whatever you can do here. But if you ask any document, I can't provide. I'm not HR. Yeah, let's go to the concept. I'm going to explain very interesting concept today. I'm not saying SonarQube is done, but still I'm unable to create server. I forget actually T2 medium. I'll do one thing. Yeah, to T2 medium. Otherwise, can anyone create a IAM user and give the credentials so that I will show SonarQube better? Anyone please create IAM user quickly. Raj, you can do if you are in front of system. So I should log in as IAM user. I can show quickly. Anyone, no problem. I hope you know how to create IAM user, right? Create IAM user and give admin access. After complete the class, you can delete a user. I think I'm unable to, I forget to pay the bill actually. Let me, after pay the bill, it will take time to, reactive process and all. Yeah, perfect. So today and tomorrow I will complete Sonar Cube. So Monday onwards, as I said, we'll start Azure. Okay. After Azure 1 week, again we can start our process as usual, Docker and Kubernetes. So these 2 months are important for everyone. So ping me in the one-to-one, Raj, not in group. So any plans, Holy? Movie, yeah? Holy celebrations allowed in Hyderabad, yes. Usually allow, right? Any restrictions in any state? Oh, watching some news. No, no, allowed. Tomorrow class plus interview. Oh, that's your job. Interviews is your job. The timing and Naveen will share. I'll see the result Monday. Yeah, we have a class tomorrow. Monday onwards we can start Azure. Hey, how much time it required to create IAM? Okay, okay. So please come uh, under resume, guys. One more thing, let me explain. Yeah, and one more thing, the resume here you can add roles and responsibilities, no problem. Okay, I have given points, right? But don't mention like I'm good in IA, I'm good in ECT, I'm good in S3 kind of points. Whatever I have shared, kind of only. And then here, the project is there now, guys. Here, just put heading cloud engineer. Give here any project name, your wish. You can take from your seniors and someone you can update. Don't mention same project for everyone. You are in trouble if you do like that. Any name you can give here, no problem. Banking or e-commerce or insurance. Here you can give project, banking, project, e-commerce, project, insurance. I mean the platform comes from on which platform. Okay. Title, you can add any project title. You can check in the Google also, you can add. But if I say something, everyone can put like that. That's what I'm not giving. Understand? Yeah. Again, you can add whatever project you did before, right? Add those points only. Any project, the background infrastructure is same process. Clear what I'm trying to say? Yeah. The title, story, inside the story you can mention the roles and responsibilities, whatever roles and responsibilities you have done in your project. You have created infrastructure by using Terraform, you have created infrastructure manually. You can add everything, whatever you want to add here. But this title you can change. Don't mention 3-tier project, application deployment project and all. If I say that yes, everyone mentioned 3-tier project, application deployment project, everyone made trouble. So better this title your wish you can give. Yes, I work in QConnect project. What is QConnect? May they ask? It's a UK based platform. Something you can say and right here. Whatever title you are giving now, this title search in Google first. What it is opening and all you can observe first. They may open and ask, okay, I'm able to see something different. This is the project you are explaining, right? They may ask, yes, you said. Clear? Yeah. You can say anything, no problem. I'm supporting some IRCTs application. I'm supporting from something application. I'm supporting from e-commerce application. Also, no, anything, no problem. Whatever title it is, but here story is same. Next is what? Technical skills. Technical skills, you can add all the technical skills without any explanation. Just type like a skill set. AWS, DevOps, skill sets you can explain here. Better if you explain here AWS skill set separately and next again DevOps, put a DevOps and DevOps skill set separately also. That's it. Clear now? If it is a freshers, if it is a freshers, everything is same, remove this only. Okay? Fresher means again, already 1 year done, for example, 1 year already completed. Na? You can mention here 1 year of internship. 1 year of internship experience and so on so place. You can take later certificates. Clear? If you are a no after completing recent passed out, for example, recent passed out, don't mention any number here. You just mention in your final year project. Understand? Final year project you have done, whatever you learn here, explain in my final year project is DevOps project. Clear what I'm trying to say? My final year project is DevOps and cloud project. No one will go to college. What you project you did, no one will verify. Clear? Even your college management also don't know which project you done. Then how they can go and ask? Clear now? Your final year project is cloud and DevOps. If 1 year already done means internship. Minimum 2 years done means experience. Clear the concept now what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Take AI help, ChatGPT help, how to update like internship resume. You can learn and modify. Prepare at any cost. Sunday evening, I need your resumes. Okay. So the Sunday EOD end of the day, you need to send all the resumes. I will verify. Then apply immediately Sunday itself into your Naukri LinkedIn. Next week onwards, you may get a calls. So learn from now. We have a 2 months again, right? Whatever mistakes, if you are doing those mistakes, slowly you can rectify. So after complete and everything, you may ready for the official interview. These are unofficial interviews. Your practice, you can understand interview means instead of asking someone what questions they are asking, you can give interviews. Okay. One more logic I'm saying here. Yeah, education you can mention, no problem. Sir, I'm having a good knowledge, but I don't have experience to show. I recently passed out, but I'm having very good knowledge. I'm not getting calls because of pressure. No problem. Update in your resume 4 years experience. Resume only you are modifying. not certificates, right? For interview purpose only, right? Check your skill set in your interview. If they ask, if you are selected, for example, simply drop from the company. You know, right? We don't have experience, but you technically proved, right? That confidence once you build in you now, you can do anything. That's what I'm saying. If you are having only 2 years experience, sir, I'm not getting call because of 2 years experience. Change to 4 years. You have a time now, these 2 months to practice. Simple, I can say, you are practicing with companies. Your mock interest with companies. Understand? Yeah. Education, if no, if you want to add, you can add. Otherwise, leave it like this. And one more thing, avoid to update like this. Become computers. He is become candidate. He got a job, you know. This person, 10:30. His name is Shiva. Capgemini. BJV issue. So BTech mechanical, BTech civil. Don't update like that. BTech. That's it. If you update mechanical, maybe they are not shortlist your resume. Why unnecessarily problems? BTech mechanical 80%. BTech civil 75%. Don't mention like that. By seeing your percentage, no one can give any job. You know that. Then why unnecessarily you are adding here? Intermediate 75%, 10th, 80%. No use. Okay. Avoid that. Just update highest educational qualification. 10th, this college, inter, this college, BTech, this college. No, please. College also not required. Just BTech education. Simple. Okay. Resume concepts clear or not? We have to stop at any cost. If you are clear means. Otherwise, I will explain. Offline clear. Ask no problem. Any questions? No, still I'm having this problem. Please give solution. Tell me, any issues? In your resume, except Docker and Kubernetes, everything should be there. Clear now? Sir, Jenkins 40% done only, na sir? No, update it first. You may get questions from the 40% only. Any tips for 12 years experience? I'm 8 years, huh? You are 12 years. Yeah. But what I know I can give. Even I have given 24 years experience person also, right? She got 72 lakhs package something. That person. Okay. PhD in DevOps. Huh? It's not like that, guys. Yeah. First, experienced people. Yeah, this is very important class. The reason you know everything, but you don't know how to manage the skill set is also problem, right? That's what I'm spending time from yesterday. Okay. Again, I'm explaining. If you are having more than 10 years of work experience, in this, yeah, you can install SonarQube also. Thanks. You can do meanwhile. Okay. Okay. 10 years of work experience. So here, you can try to merge at least 4 years DevOps experience. Understand? So whatever role you are performing, check the feasibilities, which role you can easily merge DevOps skill set in that, engage in that. Okay. And IT guys, some roles are, you don't think DevOps engineer role, AWS engineer role, they will give software engineer. These roles, associate, okay, senior lead, system engineer, kind of, you may get a roles. They don't know exactly what you are performing in your organization with these roles. They don't know. You can show anything. That's confidence matters here. Yeah, we'll see the mother for that. S1, S2, S3 roles. Yeah, correct. S1, S2, S3. See, someone is saying company name. Don't give the name like that. Your company name may viral. Yeah. Okay. So like that, you can, which company the work is near related to cloud and DevOps, you can show in that company experience as a DevOps and AWS experience. But impact will be there. Present experience, if you can show, there is a good impact. Not of before 5 years I work as a DevOps engineer. Instead of saying that, present I'm working DevOps and cloud engineering projects, cloud related projects. There is a good impact. Clear what I'm trying to say? Yeah. Still not clear means connect with me one to one. Clear what I'm trying to say? Connect with me one to one. I will give suggestions. So please check with Naveen. Can you set up a call with Veera? He will create a Zoom link. I will join. You can also join. Whatever problems you have, you can discuss with me. So now my CEO want me to open DevOps department. Who is this guy? Harshad. See, take help from Harshad. He's a company owner. Take his company if he is okay. See, cloudclan.co. Like this. Okay. Whatever company name you are giving, they should provide documents also. Very important things. But guys, one more suggestion, just generally, no documents. See, then don't use. Huh? Okay. Before, please don't pay any amount to anyone, consultancies. As I said, first give interviews. Technically proved means then you can pay no problem for the certificates. Before paying certificates, but you are unable to clear the interview, unnecessary money waste, time waste. Yeah. Perfect. Let's jump. Hey, it's not like that. Let's go to login now. Okay, okay, I'll take care. Don't worry. So we have a 1.5 hour time. No problem. Enough. So Maven, SonarCube, these and all small tools. So just we can use in between like that only. Jenkins concepts also there. I will explain. So let's go to EC2. Which region created server? Oh, EU North 1. Okay. T3 medium. T2 is enough. Why T3 medium? Okay. I hope I should install Sonar Cube, right? Okay. Okay. I will show through Jenkins also quickly then. Yeah. So first I'm going to download the Sonar Cube. First go to CD OPT. Okay, Java also required. So I'm installing Java now. Later, I will install Sonar Cube. Let's go to CD OPT and there I'm running these 3 commands. Next, we have to create a user. Yeah. Next, we have to give the permissions. Login as a Sonar. Generate a password first for Sonar. These are Linux commands, right? I think Linux new batch has started, right? Join again if you are free. Here only, evening 4, 5, 4:30, okay. I think Pavan, trainer name, Pavan, right? Login as a Sonar. Next is go to CD OPT. CD Sonar Cube. Next CD bin. Next is Linux 64. Next is sh sonar.sh start. How to access? So new batch is going to start the next week mostly. 21st maybe. But sure at 10 in 10 days new batch is there. If anyone missed the concepts, no, if the reason is valid, I will allow for a few classes. Yesterday, someone is came and requested allow me for Terraform. I said okay. So if anyone has missed any classes, no, I will allow. Don't worry. But online is very difficult here. Offline I can take care, but online the sharing link and all there are so many dependencies. Offline is in my hand so that I can. Okay, login. SonarQube admin. Password also admin, I think. Old password admin. New password you can give anything. So finally, so with help of Raj account, we entered into the SonarQube dashboard. Okay. Yeah. So if you are having any questions, check with him regarding SonarQube. Okay, guys, this is the dashboard of SonarQube. Very easily understand. Okay. First, we have to add a project manually. Which project you want to work on SonarQube? Let's add a project. Then I will explain these many options. So manually, I'm adding one project. So you can add project name. For example, MVN, Maven project. My Maven project is there, right? I'm going to test Maven project. Any security issues are there, quality issues are there in the code. Setup. So to access SonarQube dashboard from anywhere, authentication is required. So here SonarQube will give a token. The token name you can give anything. For example, I'm giving token name also token. Generate. So next continue. Which project? Maven. See, this is the endpoint. Okay. Take this endpoint and run where you want to check the quality of the code. The code will be apply some rules and it will be pull from there to update to the dashboard. Okay. For example, copy. You can paste it into somewhere anywhere also, no problem. So the command just I'm entering here. I'll explain here. First, Maven project. Next is what? Host URL. Next is what? Token. For example, your project is running in different server. How that server will communicate to SonarQube? URL. How that server will update that information into SonarQube inside dashboard? After login. But login we are giving token as a process. Authentication is token. Instead of giving username password. By using this token, by using this URL, where you are going to run this, that will be updated into your dashboard. I'll show you now. For example, here I'm taking, let me take one more duplicate tab better. Yeah, sudo su hyphen. So m install git. I'm going to clone the repository Maven project. Let's take any Maven project. Yeah, you can take anything simple sample Maven project. You can take anything, no problem. So take clone here, clone here. Okay, done, right? ls sample Maven project. Okay, you are inside of your Maven project, right? Now take your endpoint, that SonarQube endpoint. So Sonar will scan this code inside Maven project and give the result back to SonarCube dashboard. Oh, Maven is not there. MVN M install Maven -y. Clear now? Now you can execute the same command. Yeah, it will recognize. Why? I have given the SonarCube token, SonarCube endpoint. So it will update automatically here. See, now go to projects. Say this is pass. How it is updating here? We have given in the endpoint, you can see here, URL plus authentication. For example, go to the dashboard here. How to delete this? Open this. Let me delete this process. I have deleted a project, updated information here. No project now right here. So no validation for your code. Now if I go on here, I'm doing some changes in the IP. Will it update in my SonarCube now? No, destination is wrong. Which IP? There is no server is running, it will throw an error. See, build failure, SonarCube analysis, fail to get info, unable to execute the Sonar scanner. The reason is why? The given IP is wrong. SonarCube running IP is wrong. Clear what I'm trying to say? The IP is what? 51.20.35.204. See, load active rules. Understand? SonarCube will apply some rules on the code where the code is exist and take the info to back. Okay. So I'll explain. Wait now. This is done, right? Build success. How this process will work now? Let me show you. So this is my source code where the source code is available. Let's understand this is source code. Okay. So now I'm giving this command inside. That means it will scan the code from here and update into again SonarCube server. Both are running in the same, right? So how it will update? For example, this is SonarCube. Okay. So yeah, this is SonarCube dashboard. So here we have a rules already. So these rules will apply on the code and it will give result back, right? After scanning will be updated into again here project. But this communication based on the authentication key token plus URL. Clear now? So Sonar scanner scan the code and give to Sonar dashboard. Clear now? Yeah, this is a process. But we have a, the process to understand, we have a Let me show you. We are actually here Sonar Cube is using H2 database. Yeah, here is there. See, H2 database. This is for embedded H2 database is inbuilt for the Sonar Cube. For example, Sonar Cube store the load report, right? Here, whatever the report we are getting from the scanner, it should load somewhere, right? So to store this, we in the Sonar Cube inside we have a embedded H2 database. Okay. So here it will store all the analysis. But if you need separate database, you can create separate database also. If required, create separate database. If required, create separate database and you can configure also. But this is inbuilt. Inbuilt. Okay. So first process is what? If you run this command, active rules will apply and it will get the dashboard back again and update here. And you can see the project status. Clear now? To get the response back, we have to give where the result has to be appear. We have to give the IP where the server is running and to login authentication token. Clear? If you give anything is wrong, this result may not update here. It will fail. Target is not fixed means result may fail, right? This is a process will work. Clear till here? Now go to Maven. So here refresh. Okay, I'm able to see this is the my app project updations. Now you can see, click on this. So here, go to issues, see, I'm able to see some issues here where app.java code. Other issues on to where app test.java, where the Java code is located, test cases code, normal code, right? In these two codes, there is an issue. But issues are not critical. One critical issue also there. One major issue is also there. So we have a 5 code smells. Code smells means what? Already we discussed. A maintainability issue that makes code confusing and all. Vulnerabilities are what? If something is related to security. So it will scan. We don't know the rules exactly. It will give suggestions by Sonar Cube. Sonar Cube maintain multiple rules. Any one of the rule can scan. This is the issue it will give. Understand what I'm trying to say? Yeah. See, 3 components are very important. One is Sonar Cube server where the Sonar Cube is running. One is rules where we can apply on the code. One is default database where we can store the result. Okay. How it will work? Gather the rules, scan the source code, send request to database. This is the process will work. Okay. Now let's go again. So if you click on this any one of the issue, it will yeah. Is there any problem? Yeah. So you can see the issue is here. Public app something it is showing that. Okay. So if you can see the issue 10, line number 10, there is a issue. The issue is what? So add a nested comment explaining why this method is empty. Okay, this is comes under code smells. Who will understand? Who will develop the code? Not you. Even no need to read this error also. You can share to them. They can run. Developers can take care. Who will develop? They can correct. Okay. And also, why this is issue you are considering? Click on this here. Why this is issue? Yeah, there is explanation here. Because of this is the issue. So this is non-compliant code example. Okay, complaint solution. Exceptions like this it will work. So everything will be recommended by SonarQube only. What they need to do also next. Okay. If you click here, again here also replace this use of system.out or system.err by means error by a logger. Why this is issue? Click here, it will explain. The user must be able to easily retrieve the logs. That's what. The format of all logged messages must be uniform to allow user to easily read. Logged data must actually be recorded. So if you do like this now, these many issues will come. This is the explanation. Okay. So like that we can read the issue, we can inform to them, or they can run this. They can give, you can give access to them, they can run this. Clear? Yeah. Overview again. So, but bugs are zero, vulnerabilities are zero, security aspects also zero. So these three issues are not there. Only issues in where? Code smells. The code smells related to what? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 code smells. Out of 5, 1 is critical, 1 is major, 3 is just giving information. Test cases inside information only they are giving, not an issue. But here, main code inside, we have a 2 issues. 1 is major, 1 is critical. So we can consider critical as a priority, inform to them 1 critical issue also there. Clear now? But have you given any rules? The rules by default apply by SonarQube. Okay, let's have a look now. I think you are clear, right? Dashboard, how to understand now? Yeah. So you can click on the project information. You can see here lines of the code 85. Quality gates are used. Default quality gates are used. I will explain what is quality gates and all. And you can see get project badge success. No issues. These are not configured as a priority issues. Okay. Now go to projects information. This is the project level. You can see what kind of issues are there, project status, passed or failed, and or we can see. Next is what? Issues level. Just now I have explained how to check the issues where under code smell, code vulnerabilities, code bugs and all we can see. This is important. Rules. So if you see the language here, these are the languages that support to SonarQube. Here we can see Java, PHP, Python. These are the rules, number of rules. If I take Java, 639 rules are applying for your code. Any one of the rule may find out your code if you not written well. Understand? You can control also the required rules. For example, let's go to quality profiles. Here if you can come, Java programming languages, you can see 452 rules are applying. Remaining are maybe invalid rules. Which project is default section? You can create your own profile also. Let's create. I'm creating a custom profile. Okay. Here I'm not giving any parent, none. So language is what? Java. Parent is none. Create. So as soon as create a profile, this is not default profile now, custom profile. Here, yeah, I will show you now. So here, by default, how many rules? 0 active rules. Parent means already default rules will apply. If you change to SonarWay already 450 rules will apply. If you select 450 rules will apply automatically. But I don't want to select any existing parent. I will select everything my own. In this case now, how to add a role? For example, go to rules now. So I'm going to add one by one. Activate. This rule, which rule it is? Equals should not be used to test value of atomic classes. This is the rule. In your code, if you are using this rule, this will apply. For example, equal and so yeah, like this only. Deprecated code marker for the remove should never be used. So this is deprecated. If you use in your code, it will scan and give the result. For example, let me select any one of the rule. Also, you can give severity. This rule is a priority. You can give blocker or critical and activate. How many rules are applied now? Only one. Okay, let's go to profile now. Java. So see custom profile also there, right? Updated, right? Here what you can do, select set as a default now. Set as a default now. Clear now? Okay. Let's go to now again the projects. Okay, if you want to delete, you can delete this. Or keep also, no problem. You can keep also, no problem. Let's go to EC2 now. Let's run now. Tell me for this code, for this scanning, how many rules applied? Only one rule. So before, how many issues we got already? 5 issues, right? Now same issues we got or different issues we got? Same issues we got or different issues we got? How many issues may got? Major issues maybe one only. If the rule only applied one, right? If the rule is related code is there, na, one rule will trigger or simply ignored, right? Let's go to projects. Now see here issues, no issues. Why? You whatever rule you applied, right? That rule related any syntax they're not using in their code. Simple. The rule is unable to validate the code. The rule information related code snippet is not there in your code base. Clear what I'm trying to say? But if you apply 452 rules, any one of the rule may cache your code. The code snippet, it will give the result. Everything they will take care. TL and all. I mean, see, your learning SonarQube means there is no mandatory use this tool in every project. I'm explaining if the requirement is there, you can. In one class, I will explain DevOps engineer roles. What exactly you need to explain? Okay. The role should be, I mean, major roles in DevOps, what you need to do once you get a job, and all I will explain. Okay. Very easy, you can easily manage. Yeah. Now I want to implement more rules. What should I do? Open the custom profile again. Here one rule activated, right? Activate one more rule. Or bulk change. Bulk chain. Applying all the rules. Now go to quality profile. Now you can see all rules applied again. Now go to EC2. Now again. This time issues will be loaded or not? Yeah. Clear? Again come here. Go to projects. Click on the projects. You can check the issues. Same issues. See, issues are more now. Why? Rules are more, right? 632 rules. So code smells are 619. These are the code smells. Minor you can ignore. So critical, major, blocker you can. Understand how to? Clear till here now? Any questions from anyone how to understand? We can see Python code also how to do tomorrow. Next concept is what? Quality gates, right? Quality gates are, if you can go to the project now, click on the project, you can see the project information. This is overall code activated, updated rules also we can see. Now if you can go and check project information, lines of the code is 85. So this is the custom profile as used. But still quality gates are using what? No, we no need to take any screenshot. This process run by developers only once you configure and give to them. So Jenkins pipeline we can configure. Now you can give the Jenkins pipeline access to them. They will run, they will check. They will run, they will check. Your job is to configure and hand over to them. So now project. Okay, so this is sonar cube is pass. No need to do any POMDAT XML inside. So this is, you can see, quality gates are passed, but quality gates still using default or custom. Quality profile different, quality gates different. Quality profile I use custom. What about quality gates? Still default. So default quality gate conditions are, if these conditions will be, any condition will be violate, so the build will be fail. But the conditions are what? Security hotspots, coverage, something. But I can create my own quality gates by giving custom conditions. Okay. Let's go to create. I'm giving here. You can give custom QZ quality gate. Save. So it will ask conditions. Add a condition. Overall code, not new code. Here, to test how it is running, can I give some conditions? Code smells. Code smells greater than 5 or code smells greater than 2. It should fail. Quality gates. My inside code smells already, so many code smells are there, right? That's what I wanted to given 2% to prove quality gates working or not. So which condition? You can give any condition. To test first which condition, we can easily understand by seeing the code. I'm able to see in the project issues. I'm able to see here issues. Code smells are 19. That's what I have given 2%. Out of the 85 lines, 2% means yes, you are in the faulty condition. Right or not? Then if you run, how the quality gates will run, we can see. Okay. So my quality gates still, what you can do, this quality gate is here, right? Click on this. You need to set as a default. Otherwise, you are creating a quality gate, still it is running sonar way. Default is sonar way. You need to change default as your one. See now? Now this will apply. Let's run again. Go to server. Load active rules. Build success done, right? Now tell me, my project will build success or fail? Fail. Why? Condition is what in the quality gates? Code smells not more than 2%. But already code smells are 19 before we verified, right? So click on this now. You can see here, condition fail. Code smells are 19, greater than 2. Clear or not? And you can go to the project information badge. Quality gates fail. Now quality gates fail means this code is not released to next process. Maven build process, Maven test process, and Tomcat process, not deploy process. Clear or not? Quality gates until they can clear that issues, your Jenkins not allow for next stage. Clear what I'm trying to say? Any questions? They will not ask any badge, just for information. Even Jenkins will give this badge, badge information after run. My voice is breaking. Why my voice is breaking? Because of public holiday. Maybe. Clear till here? Better I will explain Jenkins tomorrow. Okay, 5 minutes time only there. You may rush if I explain Jenkins. If you want to try, you can give it a try. Let me share this. See now, you can understand. First we can run Maven clone, or you can run first this one, then Maven claim. Let me share this document now. Guys, from my end, anything is required to do. Question is very clear from my end. Anything need to implement. Are fine with this? Sir, we are lagging here, sir. So if you implement like this, that will be great for us. Any suggestions? Definitely I will follow. Notes I need like this, sir. Video required, sir, every class. Yeah, tell me, guys. The reason why I'm asking, we have it still time, 2 months. We are in middle now. Any suggestions? So I have implemented some mock interview process, right? Yeah. Please take it as a priority. At least success. Try to success that process. It's in your hand only. What level you can take that. If you are the process is success from your end, I will inform to other teams also, because of 9 a.m. team. The members they have given a lot of efforts. Like that I can explain to other team members. Yeah. So create a trendsetter for this process. Team divided for only mock interest, not to share YouTube links. Home tour, how to cook biryani, DevOps memes and trainers. I know. No problem. Enjoy. Even I'm in your position also. I did same thing. And my trainer, huh? I mean, in BTech. I'm not saying great thing, guys. I want to share just 1 minute, one thing. Uh, my favorite faculty in BTech. So his name, Gopal. My favorite sir. Okay, I'm the last bench student actually. He's always give some, guidance and all. So you are electrical student. You have to search job in electrical field only. Don't go IT field. Something kind of encouragement always. Electrical missions a subject. So I don't know. Slowly, I just what he said, I agreed with that. Also, completely. Even in the final year, I got a campus placement in one of the company in Bangalore, but I rejected. As he said, electrical background is only good. Better to got a job in electrical background. Yes, as he said, I joined an electrical company for, as I said, 5,000 salary. Okay, for 1.5 years, same salary. 15 kilometers distance need to travel for 5,000. After that, I realized and moved to IT. You know one thing, guys, the great thing, he's my student. No, I don't know that. Yesterday he pinged me. "Arey Veera, are you teaching in Naresh Shetty? I think I thought someone. No, sir, I'm only. I'm your student. Yeah. He shared everything after 10 years. I really surprised. After 10 years, I came to know he's my student. That to this institute might as under me. I mean, with me. I just asked, sir, what happened exactly? You are in the teaching field, right? In BTech colleges, what happened exactly? He said okay, after that I joined one company. After that, due to some reason, so electrical jobs are gone. Again, I moved to one of the Kakinada college like a trainer. They are also same issue. After that, I came to Hyderabad. I'm giving trials. After that, I came to know there is a DevOps training Veera something in Naresh. I joined simply. I don't know. Veera means so many Veera is there, right? He said, but he is not in the group anyway. Okay, so he's just joined recently. Who is Gopal? I just verified, and he said he verified my DP. Immediately, he don't have my number, right? He's just check with different team members. Finally, he's trying my contact from the last 3 days. Finally, he got my contact. He really surprised. He asked me to meet someplace and all. Yes, sir. We will plan Saturday, Sunday, like that. See, 10 years after that, I really surprised yesterday. This is happened yesterday only. He's surprised how you moved to IT. How the last bench student, you are giving training to multiple people. I'm really happy now. He's saying like that. So we don't know, right? So like that. Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Happy Holi. No, still he is my sir only. Still, I said, sir, always you are my sir. You are my impression. Wherever I go, this is always same. No, it won't change any time. Huh? Huh? Yes, but technically right, but logically not correct. Always my sir is always. Even now I'm in this position. It's not like that. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Bye bye.